I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Chapter 1. Why Xero Practice Manager is quite brilliant. Getting a workflow that works is harder than it sounds. Timesheets get left, work in progress isn't updated, and invoices go out late. Xero Practice Manager gives you the workflow you always wanted by getting jobs, timesheets, invoicing, and reporting to all work together. Let's take a look. Chapter 2. Assign and track jobs easily. It's simple to assign jobs and plan workloads. You can view scheduled jobs, see who's doing them and when, and set deadlines and milestones that get ticked off when complete. Keeping track of time is easy too. Use the one-off timer to record while you work, or simply enter job times to your timesheet as you go. Easy. Chapter 3. Faster and easier invoicing. Save yourself time and get invoices out faster. Times and costs are converted to online invoices. You can easily send them directly to clients, and because the invoice is in Xero, it's easy for your clients to pay you. Chapter 4. Easy reporting and better visibility. Doing reports is easy and flexible. You can run standard reports, customize sample reports, or use the report builder to create your own. Beautiful. Xero Practice Manager is just one way Xero can make your life a lot easier.